Hello all, welcome to Cloud4Green Technologies. In this video, we will study about the difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. So what do you mean by traditional marketing? The marketing done via printing medium or newspaper, or it may be TV or radio. So that is called as traditional marketing. So traditional marketing involves presence on print ads, outdoor ads, newspaper ads, TV and radio. So now what do you mean by digital marketing? Digital marketing means the marketing done via digital medium. Now what are digital medium? Uh, these are nothing but website, email, social media. So digital marketing involves presence on website, email, social media, search engine, etc. So this is called as digital marketing. So next point, in traditional marketing, we cannot target the prospects. You may be seeing a banner ad, so near bus stops, okay, near highways. So here you cannot target the prospects. Anybody can see the ad. So you cannot decide, yes, this is our potential customer. But in case of digital marketing, we can specifically target the people. Not only that, we can also specifically target people based upon their location, gender, age. The next thing is traditional marketing is static, means here people cannot interact. So the customer or whatever your prospect is, he can only watch your ad. So he cannot interact. So it is a static. Whereas in case of digital marketing, it is dynamic. People can interact, respond, share. And next point is the traditional marketing is costlier, whereas digital marketing is cost effective. So you will only pay when the audience views or interacts. So for example, in Google Ads, if you are running an ad, so you will be charged whenever your ad is clicked. So like based upon your number of clicks, you are going to charge. But in case of traditional marketing, it is not the case. So hence, the digital marketing is cost effective. And in traditional marketing, the reach is local. So only bigger brands can afford the global reach. But whereas in case of digital marketing, anybody sitting in any remote locations, so he can do a business in UK, USA, etc. So traditional marketing has only local reach, but digital marketing has wide reach. So almost anyone present anywhere in world can be reached. Okay, so at standard budgets. The direct results are not measurable. In digital marketing, results are measurable like clicks, impressions, views, conversions. So these are the major differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Thank you.